What's good, you guys? Your boy Seiko. How you guys been? Leave it down in the comments below, and I will reply back. The boy's currently headed to work. Seems like I do that every time I get on here, head to work. But anyways, you guys, that don't stop me from the grind. So yeah, your boy just left the bank, and tomorrow we're gonna be picking up a ATV, and it's not gonna be for me. It's gonna be for my little brother. Yeah, I'll be picking me up one next week. So I'm probably gonna do two separate videos, like I said. And yeah, this is going to be basically for the ride this year, because every year we go riding, and it seems to be like we never go through any trails or anything, like actually hitting some mud holes or whatever. And yeah, you guys, so like I was saying, you guys, yeah, I'm pretty excited to see his reaction. And yeah, so I'll be doing two separate videos, and I will possibly be doing a cars and coffee video as well. I know y'all haven't seen one of those in a minute on the channel, but yeah, you guys, started to get this content rolling out. And yeah, but yeah, you guys, so the boy about to head up here to work, and I probably will see y'all tomorrow, or in the next clip, I should say, for y'all. And yeah, all right, you guys, so your boy went and finally got the new ATV, and yeah, it is the next day. I didn't record the process because it's been busy all day. I literally just got back, and it's my actual time I can sit down right quick and talk to you guys. And yeah, so I'm gonna turn y'all around without further ado and show y'all the new bike. It's a little filthy right now, but don't worry, we're gonna clean this thing up and do whatever we need to do, and hey, should be looking good for the ride. There you have it, you guys. It's the new ATV. Let me see if I can start it for you guys. Oh, dummy. Guys, we here. I'm turning y'all around. And cold. Put it back on. Tell it got some damn power to it, you guys. So I'm explaining to y'all a little bit what's been done for this ATV, and yeah. All right, you guys. So this is a 2004 LTZ 400. It's a Suzuki, and yeah, this ATV has a big bore kit on it, but I'm not sure which big bore kit, but you can definitely tell it is like real healthy. Like, you can hear it in the video, and it's running pretty strong. It'll stand up with you, so we have to be careful with that. Well, my little brother has to be careful with that, so good thing he's used to it. And yeah, it's gonna be a couple little things I'm gonna go over here and check, and kind of like, go over, make sure everything's good before we actually take it on a ride. And the main thing is we're gonna clean it up, bring it back to life. So he's gonna do his touches either way it goes. So I'm gonna turn y'all around, kind of show y'all the things he's gonna possibly be doing. I already bought a few little parts for his ATV, so that way he can at least have that. And yeah, so I'm turning y'all around. First thing is first, I told him, I said, hey, we gotta change those out. We can't have this looking like that. And those are the Nerf bars, basically just the netting on it. We're gonna change those out. The grips, they're fine, but I was like, let's get some new ones, because that way you can have all the grip you can, even though it's still gonna have like gloves and all that good jazz. And yeah, so yeah, far as everything else, possibly we'll be changing the wheels up on it. It won't be like now. It'll be like a little bit later. It's pretty much got everything done to the ATV, as you can see. It's kind of like you can see the tires how it's sitting. Got to see about that too as well. It has the widening kit on it, so that's why it's like sitting low and wide, because it's a pro bike. So yeah. And what I'm gonna do, another thing too, I'm gonna do while I'm at it, when we clean all this up, clean all that up, do the oil change and all this good jazz, I'm gonna heat wrap that exhaust, so when we burn this plastic as well, like this. So yeah. Other than that, the four-wheeler is like fine. It's nothing wrong with it. It's just been chilling, and the guy is offshores all the time, so he just don't have time to ride it. So he ended up just buying himself a boat anyways, and this was just been sitting. He drove it, I think he said a couple of days, just to make sure everything was good. And yeah, so yeah. And I think I'm pretty sure he may end up changing the color of the seat and getting some type of design, and that's gonna be good. But I'm gonna leave that off of his channel. And yeah, so guess I'll show y'all the little the hand grips we got for him. Damn, they look orange, but they're red. So it's gonna look good with this bike, in my opinion. And yeah, so I guess I'll do that right quick before I even get into like the oil change and all that good jazz. And yeah. All right, you guys, that's the old oil. Everything looks clear, no metal. And yeah, this like leaves and trash that was in this oil pan. So other than that, it did need the oil change. It was pretty black. So being a big bore kit, that definitely needs to be changed after a hard ride. It's any pro racing four-wheeler or any ATV, you change your oil every time you ride hard or whatever, just to be on the safe side. So I'm not taking no chances with this stuff. So yeah. Other than that, I mean, it seems to be fine. I'm gonna get some engine cleaner and all that, kind of spray it down, go up to the store and do all that stuff. And yeah, I probably won't film that part, but who knows, I might will. And yeah, so yeah, it's going good it's going good so far. So yeah. All right, oil change is successful. Everything did good. Let it run for a minute, then put the second quart in. And yeah, for sure got some power. See my pants moving. I'm not doing that. So that's a good sign. Got good compression. So take it for a spin right quick, and then yeah. All right, you guys, so your boy is back. I did clean the ATV up. It came out really good. Sorry guys, I'm a little tired. I've been up and running all weekend. So yeah, so this video will be out after the ride, and I'm gonna let him upload on his channel first. And yeah, so right now I'm headed to the store, pick up a few things. And yeah, so this is the week before the ride. So yeah, that way he can get some seat time on it, whatnot. Luckily, he's getting used to it pretty fast, and not a lot of people get used to a four-wheeler like that fast unless you really like, you know, want to learn. So that's the same thing as a car. If you really want to learn a car, you'll take the time out and go learn by yourself, and you know, you'll be driving in 2 days like normal with stick shift. But ATV, it's different. It's not different, but it's like a little different because you gotta get used to the power and all that stuff, and you know, without popping the clutch, having a four-wheeler try to get out of control and all that stuff. And yeah, so yeah. But either way it go, you guys, the four-wheeler's all cleaned up, oil change, spark plug. I told him I'm not gonna fool with that because I had to do that on my old YFZ, and the spark plug is literally up under the gas tank, and I don't feel like taking all the plastics off. And the only time he's gonna take all the plastics off is whenever he gets ready to do whatever he's gonna do to the ATV. So yeah. But other than that, you guys, I mean, it's flawless. I changed what else I did? I also lubed the chain up. I didn't record that because I was like, it's all you doing is just spraying the lube on there and letting it sit. So yeah, so that way whenever he drives it, it don't be, you know, like dry and all that, and dirt and debris and all in it, and you know. So yeah. So yeah. Other than that, you guys, I mean, this is pretty stout ATV, and I'm curious to see how they both sound together in the woods, because I know it's gonna be like a lot of people with their necks broken. And yeah, and yeah, because it's funny when a lot of people like come with the unexpected, because we do it each year, like come to the ATV ride, and depends on what we come with, like different setup on the ATV, or we come with like with a different ATV, or whatever the case is. But this year they don't know it's gonna be a different ATV for me and my little brother. So I still got the Renegade, you guys. I still got it. He still got his Honda, so we're not getting rid of those no time soon. So yeah, so we just want to have something to have fun on and whatnot. I'm not really too worried about going into little mud holes and all that, because you guys seen I did that enough on my channel. And if I do try to do something like that, I would have to go to the ATV park, and I just haven't had the chance to go to the ATV park, you know. And yeah, so I was like, you know what, let me just get a quad for me and my little brother, because I know my little brother gets tired of the same thing each year. And I was like, you know what, screw it, I'm just gonna get him one too. So yeah, he enjoys it, he's happy, that's all that matters. So now he's already ordering parts for it, you guys. And y'all stay tuned on his channel. I'll put his channel somewhere up here. And yeah, y'all just stay tuned for it, because he's coming with some heat with that thing. So yeah, so anyways, you guys, I'm ending right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you give it a thumbs up, comment down below stuff I should work on, and comment what you think I'm possibly gonna be picking up. And yeah.
Race to the finish, push it to the limit, and we winning, I'm racing to the finish, push it to the limit, and we winning, I'm racing to the finish, push it to the limit.